You have the instruction manuals here on how to do the concentricity setting and how to remove the battery when it gets exhausted. You open this, so it comes, this is coming with the SK40 shank. This is the probe. It comes with the default 6mm ball, 50mm length stylus with M4 screw. So the battery will be replaced here. By default we will provide one single battery and comes with rust preventing coating. This buzzer is an optional extra, and you get 2.5 Allen key for doing the concentricity adjustment here. Remove this rubber cover and adjusting these, you can move your concentricity of this ball to your spindle.